So here we are going to learn some important thing, that is direct speech and indirect speech. Now what is direct speech? What is direct speech? Now direct speech means the speaker's words, these are the words, are spoken exactly without any change, so there is no change at all in the words of the speaker. Okay, you speak directly. What is the directly? Bring water. This is exact words of somebody. So what he will say? He said, you don't want to change anything what he has said. Put quotes, bring water. So these are the direct. What are these? Direct. No change. Okay? Exactly spoken, these words without any change. So these things are very crucial for you to understand how a direct speech is spoken in English. But if it is indirect speech, you will not use exact words. You use on your own. How? He said, remove quotes because we are not using exact words. He said to bring some water. Now you are using to on your own, some on your own, quantitative adjective and one preposition. So what? This is called indirect speech. You are telling indirectly without using his exact words. So with this introduction, we will start what is direct and indirect speech. How can we change it in different tenses? We have already seen by far what is direct and indirect speech in a nutshell, but we will see how it can be changed. Like we use, usually he said past tense to speak direct speeches. So because usually this happens, but otherwise you also use simple present tense. So that is he says. What is this? Present tense. So either of these will go in direct speech. Okay. So let us learn with past tense, because 90% of the time you will use all direct speeches of past spoken words. Now let us say, first we will start. He said how to change in different tenses, like direct words, like if it is in simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Any sentence used with V1, that is called simple present tense. Now for example, I go to gym every day. Now these are the direct words used in simple present tense. So this is direct speech. What is this? Direct speech. It is in simple present tense. Remember, you should know what tense is his direct speech. So that you can change it with good grammar. He said that. Remember, in indirect speech we use subordinating conjunction that always. He said that. All indirect speeches will take this that. He said that. Okay. He said that he went to gym. every day. Every day. So he went. Now what is happening? V1 gets converted into V2, which means simple present tense will get converted to simple past tense. Remember, this is how it goes if it is simple present tense. So all of you must learn how the tenses look like. Only then you will be able to guess or analyze in what tense is it and how it gets converted when you use indirect speech. So he said he went to gym, that he went to gym every day. Okay, that is about simple present tense. What about present continuous tense? Let us take direct speech, okay, in present continuous tense. Like for example, I am going to gym. I am going to gym every day. Okay, leave every day. Okay. So now here these are the exact words. Now in indirect speech, what we will do? He said that he was going to gym. So what is happening here? Here just we are changing present continuous tense to past continuous tense. Just it is opposite behavior. That's it. By using that, it is that simple if you know tenses. So present continuous tense is changed to past continuous tense. As we go further, next third one is present perfect tense. Now present perfect tense, how does it look? What is the structure? Present perfect. He said, okay, he said, I have gone to gym. I have gone to gym. These are the exact words. So in indirect speech, it gets changed to he said that. So this is present perfect tense. It will just take past perfect tense. He said that he had. I gets to he. Have to had. He had gone to gym. So the rest is same. Okay, he said that he had gone to gym. So that is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense goes to past perfect tense. And present perfect continuous tense, he said, I have been going to gym. I have been going to gym. These are the direct words. So present perfect continuous tense will be converted to he said that, past perfect continuous tense. He said that he had been going. He had been going to gym. Okay? Then. If he is using now, it is then here. So he said that he had been going to gym. It is that simple because simple present tense changes to simple past tense and present continuous to past continuous tense, present perfect to past perfect, and present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous. Only then you need to use some common sense by using he, that and he, because depending upon I here. So how it goes when you use indirectly, automatically it is a natural common sense. You will get I to he and using that. So that's how you use with all present tense. So tomorrow we are going to learn in the next session how we can convert past tense, that is simple past tense indirectly, past continuous tense indirectly, past perfect and continuous tense indirectly.